front of me is unauthorized V2, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access biometrics and password. Then click on lock screen password located under passwords and click change unlock method to pick a perfect one for you. Just click on it. 4-digit PIN, custom PIN, pattern or password. Now you need to create it, repeat it to confirm it, and select done at the bottom right corner. If you wish to add your fingerprint right away, you can do that by selecting Add in this pop-up and following all of the instructions from your screen. If you don't, hit Cancel. So now when I switch off my screen, and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!